Today's video by the title is a way to show how you can make your closure unit. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica Olunde. Hey girl, if you are a returning subby, I love you. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting. So today's video by the title is a hair installation. Oh my god, this video I have been dying to make. But here it is. So this is a closure unit that I'm going to teach you how to install so it will look like a frontal unit. A round of applause for this baby girl. So without further ado, let's get right into the video where I'll be showing you guys the tricks and the tools to use to make your 4x4 closure hair look like a frontal. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share. I love you and Merry Christmas. So this is in the color 99J. So the first thing to do is to pick my foundation and my powder brush, or rather my foundation brush, I don't know what it is. Then I'll use that to apply it on the closure just to make it a little bit realistic. So that's basically what I'm doing at this point. So I'm brushing all of my edges away. I don't want anything to disturb this hair installation at all. So the color of this hair is 99J, and I think it's a 3-bundle hair, and it comes in 20 inches. So that's like the length. So in case you don't know what a 4x4 closure is, it's basically a closure that's like this from one side of your forehead and to the other. So that's what a 4x4 is. So the next is to pick my Got2B spray glue to lay the closure to my head. So I applied it to my head, though I don't know why it's looking like I'm applying it to the closure, but it's actually to my head. So once that is laid, I'll be picking my, it's just a regular cloth. I'll just be tying it to my head. This is because I do not want to use a blow dryer. I just want it to air dry. You can use a blow dryer instead, but I just want the hair to air dry itself. So I think I waited for a minute, and now I am going to untie and see if my hair is stuck. So I think it's secure enough. So the next is to pick my scissors. I am going to cut off the excess lace. I think I did that off camera, because I do not have a small scissor, so I had to be very careful with this big one that I used. So I didn't really cut it straight. I just cut it in a zigzag, tiny zigzags, because naturally our head or our hairline is not straight. So next is to brush the rest of the hair aside, and then I am going to be picking tiny strands of the hair to give myself baby hairs. So once that is done, I am going to be setting the rest of the hair aside, and then I am going to cut the ones I brought out to give myself baby hairs. So I am going to be laying my baby hairs with the same spray Just watch this process. So this is basically the trick. Just give yourself baby hairs like I am doing right here. So I'm just going to be repeating the same process on the other side. So I gave myself extra baby hairs just to make the hair look a little bit more realistic. So just lay your edges the way you would lay your natural ones. Once that is done, I am picking the same cloth and then I am tying it around my hair just to give my edges a little bit of security. And then I am dancing to some tunes right there. So now our edges are laid, they are snatched. We are brushing our hair. So the next is to pick my hot comb and just lay my hair, give my hair some finishing touches. So here I'm straightening my hair a bit. So once that is done, this is the final look. It's so pretty. Who would know? Who would know? By the way, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.